Are you about to make biggest decision of your life, buying a property? Because in next 7 minutes I'm going to share you ultimate checklist of home buying that could save you time, money and years of regret. Trust me, you do not want to skip this. Hi, I am Sanjay Kothari, your trusted property consultant, and you are watching Value Per Square Feet, where real estate meets clarity. Let's dive right in and make sure your property purchase is absolutely perfect. Most important factor for buying any property is the location and connectivity. Real estate is all about location, where your property located, not just going to impact your lifestyle, it impact your future value even. Ensure that property have basic social infrastructure like schools, hospital, workplace nearby to you. When I'm talking about social infrastructure, location which are upcoming may not have social infrastructure, but we have to see how long it will take when the social infrastructure going to come in that place. And don't forget future infrastructure like metro connectivity or road widening work or tech spaces or workplace what's coming in that location, because it can boost property prices significantly. Avoid areas near high tension wires, dumping grounds or industrial zone, because those locations will develop more slow and living quality will be degraded. Remember, location is just not about the convenience, it's about the long-term perspective and growth. Second factor which is really important is a developer reputation, developer recognition, because as per that resale prices will vary. Any good brand, any well recognized developer, you have lot of search volume, so resale chances are higher. Getting those property quickly exit will be easier for you. So we have to check out developer reputation, goodwill of developer, the past what projects has been handed over, what is the timeline those project has been handed over. You need to speak to home buyers who have already purchased with the same developer. You need to check their testimonial, their experience, and then you can take a collective call for yourself whether you would like to go ahead with the developer or no. Third point, which is really get important, we need to make sure that property document is verified by qualified lawyer, and we need to insist on written opinion from the lawyer. Why written opinion? Because it will make lawyer also accountable for giving you opinion, because in market you have two way to take legal opinion, one verbal and one you have on writing opinion. I always insist go with the writing opinion with the lawyer, especially when it comes to the plots. We should do the legal check for sure. When it comes to legality, it's a very broad term. What you need to make sure, you have to check mother deed, clear titles, NOCs, encumbrance certificate, RERA registration number, and all government approvals. Lot of buyer do not do a legal check. They think why to waste the money on legal check. I would say if property is approved by the banker even, still the legal due diligence you need to make sure you do it. Fourth, which is really important point here, managing your financials, and you need to understand what financial you wish to invest into a real estate. Do not overburden yourself. Do not buy because your friend is buying or your relatives are buying or colleagues are buying that property. You need to check your financials and take a call accordingly. Smart buyer is someone who think about the resale value and who think about rental potential with the property. I always say whenever you buy a property, you may be buying as an end user perspective, but always keep an angle of investment, because on an average a home buyer resell their property in Bangalore, if you see, within the 9 to 11 year of time frame. So when you have to resell the property and you are already paying 8.5% of home loan interest, means your property should give you a capital appreciation which is better than 8.5%. Otherwise it's a loss for you. A home buying will be liability for you. Fifth point, which is really important, you need to understand what you're getting inside the house, what is the carpet area, what is the usable space, how is the cross ventilation and lighting going to work, what are the fittings developer has offered, what kind of a construction quality offered by the developer. As a buyer, you have to understand what kind of a view you're getting from your balconies, from your windows. Is there any apartment next to you very close by and your lighting, ventilation is getting compromised, your privacy is getting compromised? You need to understand you are doing the one of the biggest investment of your life. You have to make sure what kind of a view you're getting from your apartment. Is there your view is obstructed by another apartment? Is the distance between the two apartments which is next to you is very less, and because of that you are getting compromised in terms of lighting, cross ventilation, privacy of yours? My last point will be future growth in that location. You need to understand what kind of employment opportunity going to come in that location. You need to understand what kind of companies are coming in that location. As per that, your resale and rental prices will vary. We need to consider all the infrastructure development, whether it's a social infrastructure or whether it's your commercial infrastructure, whether it's a job opportunities, whether it's your schools, hospitals, malls. What exactly is the number we are looking in that location? How many commercial properties are coming? How many tech spaces are coming? As per that, our resale and rental value will vary. Let me summarize here. Do your legal check. Speak to property consultant or market expert who can help you taking a better decision for yourself. When you're buying your insurance, you do check in several websites. You do a lot of comparisons and then you see a lot of videos and then you take a call for yourself. Understand this is your biggest decision of your life after your marriage. It need to be correct, and for that you need to speak to somebody who has better expertise. Are you still confused? Connect with us, take an appointment, book a consultation for you. And if you like this video, share it with your family and friends. Let us help them in taking right decision in property buying. If you still have confusion and you need lot more clarity, whether it's legality, developer or anything about the real estate, connect with us, book a consultation call with us. Thank you.